Food in India. Introduction. India is an agricultural country. India ranks second worldwide in farm outputs. The main food of India is rice, wheat, jawar, bajra, etc. The pulses are also used in Indian food. The pulses are moong dal, masoor dal, tur dal, rajma, green gram, etc. Indian spices. Spices are the heart and the soul of Indian cooking. They are used in different forms, while chopped, ground, roasted, fried, and as a topping. They are black cardamom, black pepper, cumin seed, dry chili powder, bay leaf, fenugreek seed, etc. The main food in India we eat. The traditional foods used in India, such as curry, roti, rice, dal, and chutneys, are some of the reasons as to why India's dishes are so extraordinary. Maximum people in India eat dal, chawal in lunch and dinner. Rice. Rice is one of the chief grains of India. It is one of the principal food crops. It is cooked by boiling or it can be ground into a flour. There are many types of rice eaten in India, mainly kolam, basmati, ambe mohar, Delhi rice, idli rice, etc. Khichdi. Khichdi is popular food for babies between 4 and 6 months when they start eating solid food. Since it is soft and has no spices, people with an upset stomach also prefer khichdi. Pulao. Rice pulao is one of the most popular rice preparation in North India. Pulao is the most festive dish. Pulao is generally prepared with different vegetables. It is most famous pulao in North India. Wheat. Wheat is the main cereal crop in India. Punjab in India is known for the best agricultural produce including wheat, chapati or roti. A roti is an excellent source of fiber and carbohydrates. People love to eat chapati with vegetables and non-vegetables. Chapatis are prepared with a variety of flours such as wheat, rice, maida, besan, etc. Include tandoori, rumali, and naan, etc. Pulses. The nutritional value of pulses plays a very important role in India. Pulses are tur dal, chana dal, moong dal, rajma, peas and beans, etc. Indian food is wide and includes a lot of variety. Each state of India has its own unique cuisine that reflects the culture and their tradition. Indian food is cooking using by various methods. Indian food is mostly free from preservations. Indian cooking is also makes use of number of herbs that may vary good for human health. Some of the herbs include turmeric, ginger and garlic and so on. North Indian food. People of North India cook delicious food. Here is the saag that is prepared with the green leafy vegetable known as hak. But on the other hand, states like Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh show high consumption of chapatis as staple food. West Indian food. In Western India, the desert cuisine is famous for its unique taste and varieties of food. Rajasthan and Gujarat are the states that represent the desert flavor of Indian food. Here, an immense variety of dals and pickles are used. The main food in state Gujarat is dokla, khandvi, khakra, dabeli, etc. In the states like Maharashtra, the food is usually a mix of both North Indian as well as South Indian cooking styles. Here people use both the rice and wheat with same interest. Along the coastline of Mumbai, a wide variety of fishes are available. Some of the delicious preparations include dishes like the Mumbai prawn and pomfret. East Indian food. In the eastern India, the Bengali and Assami styles of cooking are noticeable. The staple food of Bengalis is the yummy combination of rice and fish. Usually, the Bengalis love eating varieties of fishes. West Bengal is very famous for sweets like rasgulla, sandesh, cham cham, and many more. South Indian food. In the southern India, the states make great use of spices, fishes, and coconuts as most of them have coastal kitchens. It is simply distinguishes the Tamil food from other. In Kerala, some of the delicious dishes are appams, Malabar fried prawns, idlis, dosas, fish moli, and rice puttu. Another famous item of this region is the sweetened coconut milk. Festival food. India is very famous for their culture and festivals. In every festive occasion, sweets are to be made. Sweets are like pedas, gulab jamuns, basundi, etc. Thank you, children.